All right, home cooks, get comfy and gather around your kitchen counters. Because in just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to master a delicious green chicken curry. No fancy gadgets, just your everyday kitchen. This is a recipe that's perfect for busy weeknights or when you want to impress your family with something vibrant and full of flavor. First things first, heat a little oil in your pressure cooker. Any neutral oil will do, like sunflower or canola. But if you want a richer flavor, try a splash of ghee. Toss in some chopped onions and tomatoes. Go for ripe, juicy tomatoes and fresh onions for the best base. Let them sizzle and soften. You want everything melting together, so don't rush this step. Stir often and watch as the kitchen starts to smell amazing. This is where the magic begins, as the sweetness of the onions and the tang of the tomatoes blend together. Now, while that's doing its thing, grab a blender jar. This is where we'll build the heart of our curry's flavor. Toss in a big handful of fresh coriander leaves, a knob of ginger, a few garlic cloves, and 1 green cardamom pod. The coriander gives that signature green color and freshness, while ginger and garlic add depth and warmth. Add a small stick of cinnamon for a subtle sweetness and warmth that balances the herbs, and just a couple of cloves. These tiny spices pack a punch, so don't overdo it. Blend it all into a bright aromatic paste. If needed, add a splash of water to help it come together. The aroma at this stage is already incredible. Pour that green goodness right into the cooker, straight onto your onions and tomatoes. This is where the curry starts to look and smell irresistible. Give it a quick stir. You'll see the color change and the flavors come alive. Let it cook for a minute or two so the rawness of the paste disappears and everything melds together. Next, add your chicken. Any cut you like, just make sure it's bite-sized. Boneless thighs work great for tenderness, but drumsticks or bone-in pieces add extra flavor if you have a little more time. Sprinkle in a heaping teaspoon of turmeric powder, a little salt, and don't forget to season well. This is what brings out all the flavors. Add a good pinch of coriander powder. This boosts the earthy, citrusy notes in the curry. Stir it so the chicken gets coated in all that spice and aroma. Make sure every piece is covered for maximum flavor. Now add enough water to just cover the chicken. Don't drown it. Think curry, not soup. The right amount of water ensures a rich, thick sauce that clings to every bite. Secure the lid on your cooker and bring it up to pressure. This is the part where you can relax for a moment and let the cooker do its magic. When it hisses, let it go for 2 whistles. That's it. The pressure will lock in all those flavors and make the chicken super tender. Turn off the heat and let the steam settle naturally. This step is important. Don't rush it, as the chicken continues to cook gently and soak up all the flavors. When you open the lid, you'll find the chicken is tender, the curry is fragrant, and the sauce is a gorgeous, vibrant green. The aroma will fill your kitchen and make everyone hungry. Give it a quick stir, taste for salt, and you're done. If you like a little heat, now's the time to add a chopped green chili or a dash of black pepper. Serve it up hot with steamed rice or some buttery naan. This curry is perfect for soaking up with bread or spooning over fluffy rice. That's real homemade comfort, packed with flavors ready in a flash and made completely from scratch. It's a dish that brings people together, whether it's a family dinner or a cozy meal for one. So, the next time you crave something bold, bright, and satisfying, remember this quick green chicken curry. It's a recipe you'll want to make again and again, and you can always tweak the spices to suit your taste. If I can do it, you definitely can. Happy cooking, and enjoy every bite of your homemade masterpiece.